In this video, we're going to take a look at the best COB LED Flashlight USB rechargeable work light for outdoor adventures to professional use. We'll compare the best COB LED Flashlight USB for outdoor adventures on the market and list their features and prices when searching for a versatile and efficient lighting solution. A COB LED flashlight with USB rechargeability is an excellent choice. These work lights are designed to deliver superior illumination and convenience, making them ideal for a variety of tasks, from outdoor adventures to professional use. COB chip on board LED technology is renowned for its high brightness and energy efficiency. Unlike traditional LEDs, COB LEDs offer a broader and more even light distribution, minimizing shadows and providing better visibility. This makes them perfect for detailed work or illuminating large areas. Typically, a COB LED flashlight can produce a powerful beam that rivals even the most robust traditional flashlights. One of the standout features of a USB rechargeable flashlight is its eco-friendliness and cost-effectiveness. Instead of constantly buying new batteries, you can simply recharge the flashlight using a USB cable, which is often included with the device. This not only reduces waste but also ensures that your light source is always ready for use. Additional benefits of these work lights include durable construction, often with water and impact resistance, making them suitable for harsh environments. Many models come with adjustable brightness settings and strobe functions, enhancing their versatility. When purchasing a COB LED flashlight, consider factors like battery life, charging time, and the flashlight's ruggedness. Look for models with a good balance of brightness, durability, and ease of use to ensure you get the best performance for your needs. Investing in a high-quality USB rechargeable COB LED flashlight guarantees reliability and efficient lighting whenever you need it.